Hello everyone, this is Ajit Ram. Today I'm actually having a surprise. You see, this is a really new, old iPhone walkie-talkie, and it's not working. Right side isn't responding, and it's like frozen. So I wanna try and fix it today. And I think it's a receptor problem. I think it's actually broken, but we have to check that after we go inside. So let's do it. Come on, boy. So I have my screwdriver, and this is my screwdriver box. I'm using it to hold my phone. So let's start fixing. Wait. All right. We already took one screw off. I do not know why, but two of them are not coming off. The screws are super tight. I don't know why or who even locked them that tight. Come on! Shit! Oh, fuck. What is wrong with this shit? Come on! Fuck. I do not know how to take this off. Oh, I got into it, but very little. We have to try and break into it, or else. Oh, sorry guys, I accidentally took it way too up. Anyways, let's try and take it out. Oops. I'm trying to fix it. Sorry. Get out of that casing. Ugh, it's so hard. Gosh. Getting into it. Okay. The top segment has hatched up. It can be a little easier now. Just a little. And I don't even think it's coming off. Nope, it don't work at all. The insect receptor has to be out. Let's try and break it. This is impossible. We can't. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Where did I break it? Where even did I? I fixed it way too tight. Back then I had examining the insect receptor. Back then it was for fun, but until my friend came over, he didn't know what was it. He just threw it on the floor and it broke. I'll try. Okay, top part is off. As you can see, all the things are there. I'll quickly. Oh, oops. Maybe someone got way too angry and broke it. That's alright. We just broke the half, this part. But great. We can at least have some looks at it. Okay. And right off the bat, I see the taptic engine is really loose because the on switch button is like wiggling, that shit is happening. And the taptic engine shouldn't be like this. The spring is kind of hinged and broken a little, but the taptic engine is completely, or shall I say, very mercilessly damaged. We have to get into the we need to get into the other parts. Oh my god, this thing, the radiator, they send transmitter signals to other parts of the walkie-talkie and makes more signals for the red taptic engine and the other parts to work. If the taptic engine doesn't work, doesn't mean that the whole phone won't work. But at some cases, nothing can work because the taptic engine is really important. Oh, there's a screw here. Well, let's take that off. Come on, at least this has to be off. Ah, I'll just try and put this on my foot. Or am I rotating it wrong? I don't know. It's just sliding. It's not like getting up. The last time I examined this was months ago. I'll try taking it off, but that's alright. We can examine it from here. At the back, let's check. I need to check it out. Guys, we might have something. Oops. Some of the taptic engine parts are a little displaced, but we can do that. Definitely. Great. We're about to fix it. Okay, I'm trying my best because the taptic engine sends receiver signals to the radiator and back to the this thing, red beep. Taptic engine, idiot shitter. Anyways, let's check. This is the incept receptor, this part, and it's here. The cap, funnel cap, is missing, and this means the taptic engines, the incept receptors functions are not working properly. So that's the problem of this phone. It doesn't work properly because of the taptic engine and the incept receptor, because they are not receiving or sending any signals, and they are completely useless right here. But the radiator is sending some heat signals from the metal crowbar, or shall I say not metal crowbar, but the copper transmitter right there. As you can see, this copper thing. That copper transmitter is one of the most genuinely important parts inside the walkie-talkie. Let's just do like this and look at this. Oops, it's dislocated. This thing is taptic. I don't think we can fix this. This is permanent damage. I couldn't even fix this, guys. I tried my best, but no. The transmitters and none of the signals were receiving any of any signals, transmitters. Nothing is working except for the metal. What do you call that thing? That metal thing. Copper. That copper transmitter. Okay, we just screw this thing on so that it doesn't break off and like cause a mess here and there. We have to fix this nice and tight. Okay. Chill down, baby. Oh, fuck. This thing is dumb. Let's just take that off. Let's keep it properly first. Okay, I'm trying to make the taptic engine, pressing it so that it doesn't bulge. Poof. The taptic engine doesn't even respond. Okay, great. Now the right side should respond a little. When we tap it a lot, it should respond, but if it doesn't, that means it's because of the incept receptor, whatever that shit is. Okay, and done. The fixing is done, but there is some permanent damage caused to it because of my violent breakage, because the screws were too hard. I tried, but it wasn't coming, and my screwdriver also had a fault. But that's alright. But at the last, I am gonna show you my screwdriver kit. This is the screwdriver kit. This is the like this thing it's used to take out screws from anything if after you making something. Now I'm just gonna keep the screwdriver back. Let's close it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys later, and I hope I don't have to do one more restoring video. But I need to show you something cool. Just wait right here, I'll be back. Guys, so what do you see here? Isn't it a iPod? Actually, no, it's two. This is my old iPod. My cousin gave me one more. But this one is the same problem. The hold button is gone. Anyways, bye guys. Bye guys. I'll see you.